Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them. Today, you guys, we are going to work on our savings challenges for Saving Saturdays. These are all savings challenges from S&C Budget Creations. And so let's count up what we are stuffing. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have $30 that I'm working with today. 30 bucks. So this month has been incredible. So awesome because of the fact that it is a magic month where I get 5 paychecks. I have a little bit more wiggle room. And so I am trying to stack some money so I can take some time off with my kiddos. That is my second priority. My first priority is making sure I have some savings challenges completed to put some money aside for my kiddo's birthday. That is where my main goal is. That is what I'm mainly focusing on. We're just going to go ahead and roll the dice and see how much each savings challenge is getting. Today we are starting with number 1, getting $1. Let me separate this because that's going to be nerve-wracking, and I don't have very many bills. 6. All right. 3. 2. Oops. And 2. All right. 1. Okay, we're going to do another round here. 4. How about we just put this here? We rolled that one twice, but we'll see. 6? Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yikes-a-roonies. Okay. And I don't want an IOU. So let me see. If I roll a smaller than a 5 or a 5, then I will stuff it. If not, I'm just going to pull the 5. I don't want an IOU. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So this last savings challenge then is going to get $1. Perfect. And let's count it up and see what we're working with today. This is my this is my fairy savings challenge that I'm working on. Where is my Sharpie? Alright, so this is the Fairy Savings Challenge. It is a 26-week savings challenge. If you purchase it in our shop, it does come with envelopes and the whole 9. It's a whole savings challenge set. However, I decided to just do it this way where I am cash stuffing. Alright, well I guess that one's out of commission. Throw it on the floor. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mark off 2 numbers there and add this $5. This savings challenge is moving along very quickly. What I've decided to do is just do a roll and save 26 times, and whatever I save is what I save. 20, 40, 45, $50 is what I have here so far. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I had to use my wet erase marker, and so yeah, 1 second. Alright, I hope that's dry. This little beauty is my May savings challenge. This little beauty is our Christmas savings challenge. Each month has a roll and save that corresponds with it. And we have $6 for the first one and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the second one. So I'm saving these all year. These do not go into my sinking funds reallocation. These simply will go to Christmas at the end of the year. So around November-ish, I'm going to unstuff my savings challenges. So I will be working on November and December in November, or if I can move up the months, then however I can make it work, I'll do that. But this is a total of $12 from today. And I have a little binder set up where I am just stashing those away until it's time to reallocate those funds. All right, next savings challenge is getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our mermaid savings challenge, and I'm gonna do each circle $2. So how much did I say? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we can color off 3 circles today. 1, 2, 3. And I'm actually going to fold $1 so I know that one of my circles needs to add up another $1. Does that make sense? Geez, Silenthia, what are you talking about? Okay. All right, next up we have $3 going into our May. This one does get reallocated. I just like to follow each corresponding month in completing these. So we'll go ahead and mark off 3 there. Keep tapping my sign up there. All right, and we've got $2 going into our Nubian. And I think what we'll do is, I think each circle could be $1 in this one since we're doing 2 on the other. So let's do 1, 2. It's gonna take us a while, but that's okay. All right, and our last savings challenge is getting $1. This one is our Coffee and Puppies savings challenge. $1. We need to see some progress here. All right. Okay, we've completed our Saving Saturdays. Thank you all so much for coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.